Parrot runs a busy little grocery shop. He stands behind his weighing scales all day. Every time a customer walks in, he gives them a big smile and says, "Hello and welcome!" His shop is famous for selling the best seeds, nuts, and sweet treats. Parrot is so careful with his accounts that he never makes a mistake with the money, not even by a single penny. One day, a crow came to his shop and asked to take some food without paying, promising to pay another day. Mithu laughed and said, "My friend, I value our friendship, but my shop only runs on cash." Mithu says often, "Credit is like magic. Whatever you give disappears into thin air."